Okay, let's see the question now. A shopkeeper earns rupees 1 by selling a profit of rupees 1 by selling one pen, which means, um, let's say this is a profit, right? So it's a positive number. So once he sells a single pen, he will earn 1 rupee profit. But if he sells a pencil, he will make a loss of 40 paisa, which is 0.4 rupees kind of a thing. So what you can write here is here profit per pen. That means selling one pen is plus rupees 1. Okay. Loss per pencil. Loss is negative, which is minus 40 paisa, which can be written as, in terms of converting, 0.40 rupees. Understand this portion. Okay. So profit if we sell one pen is rupees 1. Loss if we sell one pencil is this. Right. Why is he making a loss? Because like old stock and he just want to sell it. Overall, he wants to make some profit doing that. And let's come to the next portion then. In a particular month, he incurs a loss of rupees 5. In this period, he sold 45 pens. He sold how many pens? 45 pens. He sold 45 pens. Then you should make profit, right? 1 pen, 1 rupee profit. So 45 pens, 45 rupees profit. But eventually he made some loss. That means he has sold some pencil, and which has eaten up all the profits he made, by selling pens. Why he did that? We are not going to this. So he is making a loss of rupees 5. So question number 1 can be thought of. We can think it like this. Question number 1. So let's write number of pens sold. Okay, is 45. So profit from selling 45 pens. I mean, this is a profit. We don't know at what price he's selling a pen. Maybe he's selling at 10 rupees, he's making a profit of 1 rupee. We don't know that. Just talking about the profit. So what will the profit be? Let's say it's a positive number. So plus 1 into 45. So plus rupees 45 is the profit by selling it. Okay. But we don't know number of pencils he sold. So let's say let number of pencils sold is X. Therefore loss by selling X number of pencils is 1 pencil is minus 0.40. So this is minus 0.40x, right? Newtonian method. So now overall he's made a loss. So what will the condition here? We can write this plus this is equal to minus 5. Why minus? Because loss is negative. The loss we say negative. Therefore 45, which is plus by selling pens, minus 0.4x is equal to minus 5. This minus is because he has made a loss. This minus is because he has made a loss in this, right? Great. So we can now do the equations correct. Let's bring this side and this that side, all the x together. So this is 45 plus 5 is equal to 0.4x, which is x is equal to 45 plus 5 is 50 divided by 0.4. This cancels out, goes on top. So this is like 25 and I'm cutting with 2. It's like 5. So he has sold 125 pencils. He has sold in that month 125 pencils, and that's why he made a lot of losses. Because every pencil he's selling, he's making a loss of 40 paisa. So 125 pencils he sold. That's why overall the 45 rupees profit he has earned has been eaten up by this, right? Great. Now let's see the next question. Question number 2. Is talking of in the next month he earns neither profit nor loss. Profit or loss. He has earned neither profit nor loss. And he sold 70 pens. So number of pens, if it's 70 pens, how much profit he has made? Can we say how much profit he has made? So you can write profit from 70 pens. How many? Each pen is 1 rupee profit, so 70 rupees profit, 1 into 70, and we will put a plus. Because it is profit, we denote it as plus. So plus 70 rupees profit. But he has not, so let's say yes, he might have sold some pencil, that's why there was no profit, no loss. So number of pencils, let number of pencils sold in that month. My handwriting is bad because I'm writing on an iPad for so many days, so yes, is equal to X, let's say, here, the new X. So therefore, loss from selling X pencils, this is X pencils, is equal to minus 0.4X, right? Now, there was no profit, no loss. So this amount is equal to be this. So because no profit, whatever profit he made is equal to this. So we can write plus 70 minus 0.40 is equal to 0. No, net total was 0 because no profit, no loss, he made no money. So we put X on one side and this one, so 70 is equal to 0.4X. Therefore, X is equal to 7. Sorry, X equal to 70 by 0.4. This goes up on top. So 35 into 5. I think if you cut it with 270 becomes 35 and this becomes 2. 35 and this becomes 5. 5 into 35 is 25, 175. So 175 pencils. So he sold 175 pencils on the next month. Hope you have understood this.